the fastest way or the fastest ways to increase battle power in state of survival. So over here we have basically an account from scratch. This is a pretty new account technically, and the fastest way to boost your battle power or your BP or this little thing you see is to focus on the core progression. So that's going to mean it's going to give you the biggest returns from doing your buildings, your research, your troops, and also your heroes or the characters technically. So upgrading your command center and core base structure will raise the overall BP cap that you have for your account, while prioritizing tech research in military and economic trees that gives big multipliers that improve troops. I'm lagging. So anyways, you can do all of that while training higher tier troops, but not really that high tier yet since you've just started probably. And the more troops you have, the more BP you will have also. And if you want this as fast as possible, you can use the speed ups you can get in events as rewards or daily rewards, those kinds of things. Since again, it makes up a large portion of your BP. And alongside that, leveling and promoting your heroes and gearing them up once you unlock that section makes more BP, of course. It adds strong power boost, especially if you put your best heroes on your active lineup and equip them with the better gear. So joining an active alliance is probably one of the best things you can try as well. Not try, but actually do a active alliance since it gives you free rewards pretty much and just benefits pretty much only positive sides when you join an alliance. And the daily quests, which we already mentioned, do them from of course every day if you want as fast as possible. And that's pretty much the main idea. You stay consistent with the game and you play every day. And most of the time, when it comes to this kind of game, there is pay to win that is involved if you want the very fastest way possible and you have, enough funds to actually spend on the game. So that's pretty much it. Base upgrades, research troops, heroes, and campaign leveling. Those are the fastest way to grow your battle power consistently while using your speed up boost and those stuff. The very basics actually. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.